Welcome, homesteaders. Nothing beats gathering fresh eggs from your own backyard. And guess what? It's easier than you think. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of raising baby chicks. Get ready for fluffy feathers, adorable chirps, and eventually, those beautiful brown eggs you've been dreaming of. Raising chickens is a rewarding experience for folks of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned rancher or a city slicker with a green thumb, this guide will equip you with all the know-how to raise a happy, healthy flock. From setting up a cozy brooder to those magical first lays, I'll be with you every step of the way. So, are you ready to embark on this egg-cellent adventure? Let's get started. First things first, we need to create a safe and comfy haven for your new arrivals, the brooder. Picture it as a temporary chick nursery. A large plastic tote works wonders. Just make sure the sides are high enough to prevent escapes as they grow. Line the bottom with soft, absorbent bedding like pine shavings. Now for the most crucial element, warmth. Chicks need a heat source to keep them toasty warm. A heat lamp is your best bet, but adjust the height to ensure the perfect temperature. You want it around 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week, gradually decreasing it by 5 degrees each week. As your chicks grow, you'll notice their downy fluff giving way to proper feathers. They'll become more adventurous, exploring their brooder with increasing confidence. This is the perfect time to introduce them to the joys of treats. Finely chopped greens, mealworms, and even crumbled eggshells for calcium will be met with enthusiastic chirps. Handling your chicks regularly will help them grow accustomed to human touch. Gently scoop them up, cradling them securely and speaking in soothing tones. Remember, happy chicks are friendly chicks, and that starts with positive interactions from day one. A new home for your growing flock, the great outdoors. Once your chick's about 6 to 8 weeks old, they're ready for the exciting transition to the great outdoors. But hold your horses. We need to ensure their new abode is safe and sound. Your coop should be spacious enough for your flock to move around comfortably, with adequate ventilation and protection from the elements. Most importantly, it needs to be predator-proof. Reinforce any weak spots. Use mesh wire instead of chicken wire, and consider an automatic coop door for added security. Anticipation builds. The first eggs are coming. Around 16 to 24 weeks old, you'll start noticing telltale signs that your pullets, young female chickens, are nearing laying age. Their combs and wattles will become larger and redder. They might start squatting when you approach, and you might even catch them eyeing potential nesting spots. Speaking of nesting spots, now's the time to provide them with inviting nesting boxes filled with soft bedding like straw or shredded paper. Aim for 1 nesting box for every 3 to 4 hens. Revel in the rewards and troubleshoot any hiccups. Congratulations, partner! You've made it to the egg-laying stage. There's nothing quite like collecting those first few warm, freshly laid eggs. But like with any livestock, there might be a few hiccups along the way. Egg-eating, pecking order issues, and occasional illnesses are all part of the package. Don't fret, though. Most problems can be easily addressed with a bit of observation and know-how. Providing a balanced diet, ample space, and keeping a watchful eye on your flock's behavior goes a long way in preventing and addressing any issues. Fresh eggs daily. Your rewarding journey awaits. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the journey from fluffy chicks to egg-laying hens. Remember, raising chickens is a learning experience, and every day brings something new. Enjoy the fresh, delicious eggs, the endless entertainment your flock provides, and the satisfaction of knowing you're providing your family with nutritious food straight from your backyard. Happy chickening, y'all!